Hi, I'm Trish with Link Electronics, a company that's been manufacturing broadcast equipment for nearly 40 years, located in Branson, Missouri. We're here at InfoComm and we're showing off our Voyavox automated on-premise captioning system. Very simple user interface, one-time purchase, and all you have to do is plug it in, set your schedule, and it'll run 24/7. Caption as much as you want, or as much as you can, because this is your system, you own it. Connectivity, you can connect it to one of our caption encoders like our Gemini or Orion caption encoder, or to a caption encoder that you may already have on site. Uh, Includes 24/7 tech support, setup, and updates and hardware coverage as you go. So this is a system that is buy it, own it, and enjoy it for your on-prem. Thank you so much, and if you want more information, check us out at linkelectronics.com.